So, how you guys are doing? All good? Hope you guys are excited for today's affiliate marketing training. Yeah. How many of you are excited? Type excited in the chat box. If you guys are excited about today's affiliate marketing training. Yeah. How many of you? How many of you are new here or last week attended the same affiliate marketing training? If you are new, type me in the chat box. Okay, awesome, fantastic, cool. So I think we are on time. Let's get started and keep this as an interactive section. Whenever I say comment, please do comment. So that is what makes the session interactive. When you're replying, change the reply to everyone so that everybody can see your reply. Yeah. So with that being said, let's jump into today's session. Welcome to Affiliate Marketing for Beginners and Experts. This is going to be, Kishle is asking, will you be getting the replay? Yeah, I am recording it. You will be getting a replay, but still, if you attend live, you will get more value out of it. Yeah. So, yeah, cool. So yeah, welcome to Affiliate Marketing Training. Let's get started. As usual, we will start with little housekeeping. Grab your notepad and pen. I'll be sharing so many things. I want you to make the note of this so that it'll be handy when you're planning to implement this. Grab a bottle of water or whatever is your favorite drink. This session is going to be there around 60 to 90 minutes long. Yeah, I am recording this. You will get a replay inside the group itself. Do not need to worry. You have lifetime access to this. Whenever you want, you can watch it and take action using this training. Yeah, is that great? Type great in the chat box. Here is what today's agenda is. Why you should listen to me. Yeah, I have brands on Amazon. I have e-commerce brands. I teach people about Amazon FBA. Why should you listen to me about affiliate marketing? Yeah, so that's number one. Number two, what is affiliate marketing? Number three, we are going to talk about what affiliate products to promote. There are tons of products in available now. Affiliate program is available for each and every all the tools that you use, all the companies you use have their own affiliate program. Which one to choose? Yeah, so that is what affiliate program to product to promote, and finally how you can get started as quick as today without any investment. Starting with zero investment, how you can get started today. And we are also going to have a Q&A session at the end. I'm going to answer all the what do you call questions at the end. Do not post your question in the chat box. I might miss it. Please keep all your questions ready. I'll be answering at the end. Yeah. Awesome. Cool. Let's get started. So why should you listen to me, right? That's the question. I have started my first online business after reading this book, The 4-Hour Work Week. I don't know how many of you grabbed this book. How many of you grabbed this book from Amazon? How many of you gone through this? If you have not yet got this, type no. If you have already got it, type yes. This is the book I got in 2014. If not, I will not be doing whatever I'm doing right now. Yeah, when you're replying, change the reply to everyone so that everybody can see your reply. I want you to pick up this book from Amazon and start going through this book. Yeah, so this book goes into how you can build an automated income so that you can automate your income so that you can live your life. Yeah, your life is to live, not to work, right? So this book is available in Amazon. You can grab it. The audio version of it is also available, and the Kindle version is available. Paperback is available for a couple of ₹100. You can grab this from Amazon. This book is about building a income that you don't need to, you can automate it. Basically, you can automate your income so that you can do whatever you love to do. Yeah, that is what I grabbed this book in 2014, and then I launched my first business in 2014 in Amazon. My first product on Amazon. Yeah, in my first year, I have crossed over 50 lakh plus on Amazon. In my second year, I have crossed even 1 crore, 1.23 crores precisely in my second year. And after 5+ years of running this Amazon e-commerce business, I have started teaching this in public. Now I have taught this to over 15,000 students, yeah, all across India, over 15,000 students. And we have the most success stories in India when it comes to e-commerce and affiliate marketing. Yeah. But tons of success stories. Yeah. Tons of people are getting value out of this training program. In the last 6 months alone, I have made over 1 crore rupees on my selling my courses and services and consultation. Yeah, only from my apart. I also have my brands, and I also have this consultation and courses and services. Only through the consultation and courses, I made over 1 crore rupees in just last 6 months. Yeah. And when I'm doing this training, this e-commerce training about selling your brand products on Amazon, every week I get questions about affiliate marketing. Are you going to teach affiliate marketing? How to run an affiliate business? Can I get any knowledge about affiliate marketing? But I do not have any investment to launch a product. I do not have any investment to buy the inventory. I am ready to work as an affiliate. Do you have any training about that? That is when I thought, okay, everybody is interested in affiliate marketing. I have never tried it. Yeah. That is when I started learning about affiliate marketing. I have started learning about affiliate marketing last 6-7 months and started to earn commissions like here you can see commissions from PayPal. Yeah. Affiliate commissions from so many affiliate providers. I started doing in last 6 months. I have learned it, right? As I think Gandhi or somebody has said, you have to tell people what do you do. Yeah. But to give you an example, to give you a story about I think it is from Gandhi or some prophet. I'm not remember the name. A mother came to Gandhi and asked and told that my daughter is eating too much of sugar. Please, control her. Please give her some good advice. Gandhi said, go home, come back next week. The next week, the mom and the daughter came, and Gandhi said, okay, do not eat sugar. It is not good for health, and go. Yeah, this is what Gandhi said. And mother asked Gandhi, you should have told this last week itself, right? Till last week, I was also eating sugar. That is the reason I did not tell her. He was, it is just preach what you do, right? I started learning affiliate marketing, and I promoted affiliate products, and I was able to generate affiliate commissions. Then I got the confidence. Okay, now we can tell people how to make money using affiliates as well. Yeah. So the idea is to build multiple streams of income. Anything in one is not good in business. One product, one supplier, one source of income, anything in one is not good in business particularly. Yeah, you need to build multiple streams of income so that if one goes down, COVID has hit, so many people lost their job. Yeah, they were solely relying on their day job. You should have created, people should have created a side hustle, maybe a little income from side hustle, so that they can rely on if anything goes wrong. But when it comes to income sources, you need to try to build a couple of things at the same time, so that you will be able to build multiple streams of income. If one goes down, we can rely on something else. That is the key. Building multiple streams of income is the key. And here is the thing: avoid shiny object syndrome. Yeah, now you might think what it is contradicting, right? You're saying concentrate on one, and you're saying build multiple streams of income. No, you have to concentrate on one until you succeed on that. You have to focus on one thing. If you are launching your product on Amazon, launch your product, get it running, make a system around it, so that even if you remove your focus, it should run on its own. Then move on to the next one. Do not do two things at the same time. Yeah, do not start two things at the same time. Concentrate on one, focus on that, build systems around that. Once it is running on its one, then move your focus to the next one. This is what I mean, avoiding shiny object syndrome. If you are into already anything, if you are about to launch your product, if you are interested in launching a product, if you are interested in building a YouTube channel, do that. Do not jump around. Yeah, is that clear? If that is clear, type clear in the chat box. This is very, very critical for your success. Every time I tell you this, yeah, you have to be focusing on one thing at a time, not two things at a time. You will not be able to do it. If it is clear, type clear in the chat box. Let's keep going. Awesome. Focus and building systems is the key. So while teaching Amazon FBA and e-commerce to more than 15,000 people, I've taught them how to create websites for their brand, landing pages, sales funnels, email marketing, so on and so forth, using multiple tools. If you want to do any online business for that matter, either excuse me, either blogging or affiliate marketing or selling your product or e-commerce, you need all of these tools to run your business. We may not have multiple employees. You need to consider this tool as employees for your business. Yeah. So the number one is the hosting. Normally, this is what I recommend: hosting, hosting for building their website. For building a website, you need a hosting, you need a plugin, you need a theme, or you need a software like Shopify. Yeah, for website. You also need landing pages, sales pages, and funnel builders to collect leads and selling your products. Yeah. For this, I used to recommend OptimizePress, ClickFunnels, and all those stuff. Then you need an email autoresponder, which collects email and it sends email automatically to your buyers. Yeah, the email autoresponders like GetResponse, ConvertKit, and MailChimp. And you also need a learning management system. Learning management system is an e-learning platform like Teachable and Thinkific. If you are into selling courses and training programs, suppose if you are in a fitness, you are selling a physical product at the same time, you are also giving them training, you need an e-learning platform like Teachable. Is everybody aware of e-learning platform? What is an e-learning platform? If you know it, type yes. If you do not know, type no. Yeah. Otherwise, I will show you what is the e-learning platform is. E-learning platform is where you will be able to host all your videos. Customers can put their email address and log in and watch your courses. Okay, so many. Yeah, LMS. That's right. Ramakrishna, Anand, and Ravichandran, Ajay says no. Let me show you quickly what this means. I use a tool called Teachable. Yeah, you will be able to host all your videos like this. People can people can use their email address and password to log into their membership site, and they will be able to watch your content. If they click on it, it will take you to a video where they can read their lesson. This is called the e-learning platform. People can access your training. Yeah. So you need that if you are selling courses, or if you're selling physical products along with some training materials, you need to have that tool as well. Yeah. Tools like Teachable and Thinkific. I use Teachable. Yeah. So, and webinar tools. If you are running trainings on webinars, you need webinar tool like Demio, Podia, or Zoom. You also need messenger bots, sending Facebook messages to customers. You need tools like ManyChat. And you also need an integration tool. All these are independent tools. To connect this tool, you need another tool. That's called as Zapier. This connects all these two things together. If anybody lands on your landing page, if they give you email address and contact, that need to be sent to your email autoresponder. You need to connect these two things using a tool called Zapier, and many tools. These tools are mandatory. All these tools are mandatory. Without these tools, you will not be able to run your online business. As I said, these tools are like employees for your business. All these tools will normally cost you around $30 to $100. Teachable cost $100. ClickFunnels costs $300, and hosting costs $30. All these tools are cost around $30 to $100. If you add all of these things together, that will be around $612 per month to run an online business. You need all these are mandatory. As I said, the $600 will be, for example, if $100 is 7,500 rupees, $200 is like 15,000 rupees, $400 is 30. That is about 45,000 rupees per month. Yeah. So even if you do not need some of these tools like webinar tool or e-learning platform and integration tool, you can cut this down to half of it. Half the expenses will be like $300. $300 will be around 22,000 rupees. You will not be able to hire a human being in India to do all of this work without taking leave, without giving you excuses on time. You will not be able to hire a person. These tools are like employees for your business. This will work on autopilot. These tools will not give you excuses. These tools will work 24/7. These are mandatory. But still, 22,500 rupees every month will not be affordable to so many of us in India, right? If you are in a job, and if you want to, when you're getting started, after some time, once you're making money from this, 22,000 or 25,000 is part of your business. You can take it from your profit and reinvest it. But when you are getting started, people will find it difficult to invest 22,000 or 25,000 every single month on tools, isn't it? Right or wrong? Type right in the chat box if you get it. But without this, you will not be able to run a business. So how do you do it? Yeah. So when I'm teaching, when I'm suggesting all these tools, so many people were skeptical. So many people did not even start it because of the tool expenses. Nothing else. This is what's stopping them. So that is when whenever, yeah, as I said, whenever I introduced a new tool to my students, they ask this question again. Another tool we need to invest. Yeah, and another $30 or $50 we need to invest. This is what the question I get. But these tools are much important. We need this. Without this, we cannot run a business. That is when I started to searching for a tool that does all of these things in one monthly platform, one monthly payment. Yeah, that is when I found this tool called Builderall. Builderall is a tool which has everything in it. Like it has a website builder, it has a funnel builder, it has an e-commerce platform. You can integrate, you can add WooCommerce, WordPress to it. You can have e-learning platform. You can have email autoresponder. All these tools. Apart from that, 40 plus other tools like WhatsApp automation, Telegram automation, so many other tools, which just one monthly platform. I found this, and then I have started introducing to my students. Then they have used this tool, and they were happy, and they have finally started taking action. Yeah, so this is like this is the reason most people got stuck without moving forward because of these tools. And now I wonder, now you guys might be wondering why I'm telling about these tool Builderall instead of talking about affiliate marketing, isn't it? How many of you wondering, but is it an affiliate marketing training or Builderall training? Yeah, or trying to promote Builderall? Yeah, Kickstart expense, Rupesh is saying. Yeah, the Kickstart expenses will be normally. Yeah, I'm coming to it. Just give me a minute. Why I'm sharing this tool Builderall is Builderall has the best affiliate marketing program in the world. Yeah. Before talking about the Builderall affiliate marketing program, let's see what is an affiliate marketing. How many of you know what is affiliate marketing or already into affiliate marketing? Type me in the chat box. If you are already into marketing, type me. If you are very new to affiliate marketing, type new. New. Okay, cool. Okay, I just have a 2-minute video which explains it very quickly. What is affiliate marketing? How you can get started? Just give me a minute. Yeah, I will play that video. Just listen to this.
This is an affiliate. We'll call him Mike. This is a company, and this is a consumer. Mike needs to make more money. The company needs to sell more products to consumers. And to get help selling more products, the company brings on Mike as an affiliate. The company will pay Mike a commission for every sale he makes. Basically, Mike is the middleman between the company and consumers. Mike works independently as an affiliate, so he has no boss. He's basically his own boss. Or maybe he is a boss because he has no boss. So what is Mike's job as an affiliate? It's simple. Find consumers, and here's the key, who are interested in the company's product. Then Mike will tell them about the product. He then asks if they've purchased the product. No, he'll tell them the benefits of having this product. He then asks if they've purchased the product. No, he'll tell them the consequences of not using the product. He then asks if they've purchased the product. No, he'll show them results of other people who've benefited from the product. He then asks if they've purchased the product. Yes, the consumer made a purchase they're happy with. The company has a new customer. Mike made affiliate commissions, and Mike still has no boss.
Yeah, affiliates are very simple. Affiliates are basically a salesman for a company without working for that company. If you bring customers to that company, the company will pay commission to you. Is that clear? This is what affiliate is. You are in between the company and the customer, where you will be bringing customers to the company. The affiliates are just in between the company and the customer. If you bring customers to the company will pay you commissions. Very straightforward, simple. Yeah. So almost all the company have their own affiliate program, like Amazon, like Flipkart, like eBay, all the companies you use, Uber, Ola, whatever is the company you use daily in a daily life, every company has their own kind of affiliate marketing. They have their own affiliate program. You can start promoting their services or products to the customer, so these companies will pay you a commission. So what makes a good affiliate program great? You might be thinking, I wanted to do Amazon affiliate or I wanted to do Flipkart affiliate. So what is making that affiliate program great? There are a few things you need to know before selecting affiliate product, affiliate company or affiliate product. Number one, it should be easy to promote and it should already have a pre-existing demand. These two things are critical. It should be easy to promote and it should already have a pre-existing demand. If that is going to happen, all you have to do is just show up and show the product to the customer. If anybody is in demand of that product, if you just introduce that product to them, they are readily going to take it. That is the step number one. That is what the first criteria to pick up an affiliate product. Number two, it should have a recurring income. Yeah, recurring income is like for most of the softwares and tools. If you send anybody to an Amazon affiliate link using your link to buy a product from Amazon, Amazon will pay you only one commission when they buy the product. Suppose if you send a person to buy this water bottle for 500 rupees or pack of 4 water bottle for 500 rupees, Amazon will pay you 8 to 10% commission. That is only one time. It is not recurring. When anytime he is going to go back to Amazon and buy the product, you will not going to get commission. You need to check this. Yeah, this is the second one, recurring income. All these software tools and these programs have a recurring commission. What they normally do is like email autoresponder or hosting or landing page builders. These companies will pay you recurring commission. The first time when they join, they will give you 20 to 25% commission when you join. In the next month onwards, as long as they are sticking with the company, as long as they are using the tool, every month they need to pay the recurring payment. From that payment, as long as they are paying to the company, you will get a commission. Yeah. If you in 1 year, let's say in 1 year, if you are able to bring like 100 people to your affiliate program, every month this affiliate program is paying you just $20, you will be able to make $2,000 in recurring commission every single month. Yeah, I'm not telling you in 1 month. In 1 year, slowly, every month you bring just 10 people. Yeah, so it gets that small snowball effect. Slowly. Yeah, that is what recurring commission is. These two things are mandatory. Number one, it should be easy to promote. Number two, it should already have a pre-existing demand. Yeah, you should never introduce your new product to a customer where he does not require that product itself. Yeah, so that's number one. Number two, it should have a recurring income. Whenever the customer, as long as the customers are going to stick with that program, you are going to continue to get the payment. If you bring anybody to a program like Builderall, they need all of these tools, they are not going to go away unless they are going to stop doing their online marketing. Yeah, that is the reason I suggest Builderall's affiliate program. As I said, Builderall has the best affiliate program in the world. Now let's see how Builderall affiliate program works. When you refer a customer to Builderall, you get the first month payment 100% as commission. Yeah, when somebody joins Builderall, this tool where all the tools are available plus 40 plus tools, when you bring customer to this platform, they are going to pay you 100% of the money to you. Yeah, as a commission. So how much is that? What is the monthly payment for Builderall? That is 69.90 cents. $69. That is about $70. Whenever anybody signs up through your link, you are going to get paid $70 as a first month, as the first month commission. That's not all. You also going to get a recurring affiliate commission of 30% from that $70. $70 these people will be paying instead of $300. If they are going to use only the half of the tools. Yeah, if people are going to use only half of the tool, that will be $300. If they use all of these tools, that is going to be $600 if they are going to use multiple tools. If they are going to go to Builderall, if you refer anyone to this, that is the reason I came to Builderall. I came to Builderall to use the tool myself, not to promote as a affiliate. After looking at the affiliate program, I could not even resist to promote this. Yeah, such a good tool. Everybody needs this, and they also have a good affiliate promotion incentives, right? They are going to pay you $70 as their first month, and you are also going to get a 30% recurring commission every month. Yeah, that's not all again. They also have something called two-tier affiliate marketing program. Two-tier affiliate program. What this means? This means if you promote as an affiliate to other 10 people or 12 people, you as an affiliate, you promote this to 10 or 12 people. If the second tier of your affiliate gets any sales, you also get commission from the second tier. Yeah, do not confuse this with MLM. It is not multi-level marketing. It is just two-tier. You will get the commission for your sale, and you will also get commission for your next affiliate. They also have a cool calculator in their website. Let me show you how this works. If you go to this calculator, let's do a quick calculation. How many sales can you bring in a year? How many sales you can bring? Let's say you bring only 5 sales a month. Yeah, not if you bring 1 sale a day, that will be 30 sales a month. Let's say you are able to make only 5 sales in a month. That will be 60 sales in a year, not in 1 month. 60 sales in a year. Yeah. And how many affiliate can you bring? Out of the 60 people, how many people will be a good affiliate they are going to promote? Let's say only 1 people from 1 month. That is about 12 people. Yeah, 12 affiliate under you. If they make these 12 people make only 2 sales in a month. If these people, 12 people, make only 2 sales in a month, that will be 24 sales in a year. Right? How many sales each affiliate can make in a year? That will be around $7,297 in recurring income for yourself. Yeah, this is from yourself and this is from your affiliate. The total recurring income is like $7,000. Is this a good affiliate? Is this a good affiliate platform? Type yes or no. How many of you are feels like wow? Akash is very good. Yes. Deepika, yes, awesome. Cool. Once I saw this, it is just mind-blowing. You have a wide open opportunity. Everybody needs this tool. If anybody comes to this tool, they are not going to go back. The stick rate is going to be very high. And they do have a killer affiliate marketing program. Yeah. So now let's see how to promote an affiliate program, product. Now you know what is affiliate marketing, what product to promote. So how to promote an affiliate, how to promote a product as an affiliate. Yeah, let's see that now. Normally, this is how 99% of the people do it. They do it 99% of the time dead wrong. Yeah, they will go and buy ads from Google or Facebook or YouTube or anywhere. They will buy traffic. They will buy advertisement. They will directly send it to the affiliate offer page, the Builderall sign up page, or whatever is the product you wanted to choose. That is a affiliate marketing marketplace called ClickBank, the JVZoo. There are so many other places. Now, what they normally do is they will pick up an affiliate program. They will go and buy traffic directly from any of these platforms like Google, Facebook, or YouTube. They will give the affiliate link. They will directly send it to this affiliate offer. Normally, when it comes to conversion of these pages are like, for a cold audience, it will be 1 or 2%. If 100 people visit that page, only 1 or 2 people will buy. Yeah, the conversion rate is 1 or 2%. This is the 99. This is the dead wrong way to do this. There is a better way. People assume this is what the better way is. Yeah, what they normally do is they will buy the traffic. They will send it to an opt-in page where they will collect the name and email address so that they can communicate with these. Only 2% of them are going to buy the product. rest 98% of the people are not going to buy the product. So they are going to collect the contact details, and then they can follow up with these people using email, so that they can promote it at multiple products at the back end, so that they don't need to buy the traffic from these places. Yeah, this is what people assume it is the best way to do it. They will collect the email address and they will send it to a bridge page. Sometimes most of the people, they don't even have the bridge page. They will collect the email address, they will directly send it to the affiliate sales page. Even if you have a bridge page. So what is a bridge page? Let me tell you what is a bridge page. Bridge page is like, you collect the name and email on the opt-in page, then you send those people to a bridge page where you will have your video saying, I just found this offer on this cool tool. They are running a promotion. You can get started today for 20% off or 30% off. To get that offer, you can click on this button. Yeah, you're just giving an intro about yourself and what you do, why you do, and just asking them to buy that product. This somewhat converts little better, but this is not the best way. There is a better way to do this, which I'm going to show you. How many of you want to see that better way? Type me in the chat box. This is what most of the people do. They collect the email address, they will send it to a bridge page, they will talk about them, they will talk about the product, they will present the offer, they will send it to the offer page. Here, they are directly pitching the product. If I'm going to tell you, go and buy Builderall, how many of you will buy? Very rarely, 1% of the people will buy, right? If you, hey, I am Aman, I am here, and I found a cool tool. It has all the features. You can get started today for so much of amount. Will you be? Very less percent of the people are going to buy the tool. People are not interested in buying the tool. What people are most interested? To promote their business or make more money for their business, or to generate more customers for their platform. Yeah, that is where the better version comes here, the better funnel. This is how your funnel should be. Yeah, you should be getting the traffic from your Google or Facebook or YouTube or LinkedIn or wherever it is, influencer marketing, wherever it is, you are collecting them as in your opt-in page as a lead. Here in this opt-in page, you are going to tell them, I'm going to teach you how to do email marketing for your e-commerce. I'm going to teach you how to do email marketing for selling your courses. I'm going to teach you how to do affiliate marketing in this next video. You are sending them to a video training where, yeah, you are collecting the lead and you are taking them to this training. In this training, you are going to teach them how to bring customers for their business. And while teaching them, you are going to use these tools. Without these tools, these people cannot run email marketing or build landing pages or build website. If your training is going to be about, I'm going to show you how to build an e-commerce website, this training will teach you how to build a website. In this training, you are going to use these tools and show them how to do it, and you are going to recommend these tools. Now, they wanted to build their website or they wanted to do email marketing. For doing that email marketing, they need this tool. Then they are going to get this tool. Are you getting the big picture? Type big in the chat box if you got this. This is very, very critical. If you try to sell a product, it will never sell. Yeah. Type big in the chat box if you just got the idea. Akash says cool way. Ashraf says big. Kishle says right, big. Ramakrishna, yeah, that's right. This is absolutely right. Now you might be thinking, do I need to create course? I don't know how to create course. I am like, I don't want to show my face in the camera. I'm very much skeptical. I was also like that. I have got you covered. Do not need to worry. Yeah, you don't need to create a course. All those things are set for you ready. So you don't need to be worrying about that, which I'm going to give it to you in a silver platter in a moment. Yeah, let's keep going. So this is how you're going to promote your whatever is the affiliate product. If you are planning to sell a hosting or email marketing tool or ManyChat tool or whatever is the tool, this is what the flow you need to use. This works like a clock without any missing, because people are interested in getting results, not using the tool. These tools are support them in their journey to get the results. Yeah. So using the same funnel, you can sell this to Builderall tool because Builderall has everything in it. Yeah. So that is what we are going to cover. Yeah. So as I said, I recently started learning about affiliate marketing. When I got started, I was looking around to learn about affiliate marketing. That I was searching everywhere, like, but do I need to take any course or do I need to follow anybody? But then only I thought, who is the number one affiliate in Builderall? Yeah. Then I searched for that number one affiliate in Builderall, and I wanted to follow the success. I just wanted to contact those people and see what they are doing. As Brian Tracy says, success leaves track. Whoever it is, whatever the business is, if anybody is doing right, if you just follow him closely, you will be able to figure out the track. If you figure out only half of it, if he is the number one affiliate, you will be at least third or fourth or fifth or under 10, right? That is what I thought. Whenever I'm going to launch a product on Amazon, I will always go and look what product is already selling well. Whenever I'm planning to launch an offline business, what is selling in the offline market? That is what I do. This is how I normally think, right? So then I thought, who is the number one affiliate in Builderall? I was searching in a Builderall's platform. Then I found out James Newell Taylor. James Taylor, yeah, he's the number one affiliate in Builderall, and that is when I thought, okay, I need to follow this guy. If he has any course, I need to buy that course, and I need to jump on his course and learn how to promote particularly this tool, right? This is like recurring income and 100% commission and 2-tier platform. I literally want to promote this training program, and I wanted to contact him, and I wanted to find out, does he have any course he's selling where I will be able to jump onto it and get into his course. Luckily, I found he's having a course for affiliate marketing, and it is called Rapid Profit Machine. The course that James is having is called Rapid Profit Machine. And the good thing is, it's absolutely free. Yeah. How many of you want this for free? He's the number one affiliate. He is having a course about affiliate marketing, and it is called Rapid Profit Machine, and it is absolutely free. How many of you want this for free? Type free in the chat box. Yeah, cool. And he's having a full-blown training on affiliate marketing with all the e-learning platform, with all the trainings, with all the extra things you need, everything covered. Yeah, he's covering everything end to end. How to do affiliate marketing, how to get Facebook, how to run Facebook ads, how to run solo ads. So many traffic training also he's having. Yeah, in this Rapid Profit Machine. Not only that, he's also giving his funnel. He is also giving his entire funnel. Yes, James is going to give you his entire money-making funnel with all the landing pages, all the sales pages, training courses, email follow-ups, and all the automation, everything for free. Yeah, you don't need to show your face. You don't need to create your course. He has the sales page. He has the landing page. He has all the courses ready. You just need to send the traffic to the landing page, and you make commission through that system. Everything for free. Is that cool? How cool is that? Type cool in the chat box if that is cool. Yeah. Awesome. Now you might be thinking that, do I need to pay for Builderall account? Yeah, he's going to give you a funnels and e-learning platform. Everything is going to be Builderall. Then do I need to pay for that Builderall for $69 or $70? Yeah. How many of you thinking? Type me in the chat box. What if I tell you I can give you access to Builderall for absolutely free? Yeah. How many of you want access to Builderall for absolutely free? Type wow in the chat box. When you're replying, change the reply to everyone. Yeah. Now it seems like it is too good to be true, right? I'm going, somebody say, I think I'm going crazy. Yeah. And now it feels like too good to be true, right? Yes, that's right. It is literally too good to be true. You have access to the training, you have access to the tool. Yeah. I'm going to give you a 14-day free trial. You don't need to pay anything today. Zero. You can get the 14-day free trial, but you pay zero today and have unlimited access to 14 days to this Builderall account. You have unlimited access to all the tools. You don't need to pay a dime. If you even go directly to builderall.com, they have a $1 trial. You need to pay $1 for 30 days, that too with a limited access. They will not give you all the tools access. Now I am going to give you through my link, where I'm going to give you 14 days full access trial without paying any money. Yeah. So that is about this. That's not all. Yeah. What else you need? You have the course, you have the funnels, you have the courses, so you can promote as your own. You have the tool, and what do you call? James has their private FB community. You can join this community. There are close to 4,000 people, active members, every day, literally promoting this product and sharing their success stories in the community. If you have any questions, you can post there. These people are ready to help you on your journey. Not only that, every week James has a wealth workshop. Every Wednesday, James will jump live on that Rapid Profit Machine group, and he's going to answer all your questions. He will also teach new things about affiliate marketing, and he's also going to answer all your questions. Yeah, how cool is that? That's not all. But there are so many people, as I said, so many people are posting their success story in that Profit Machine, Rapid Profit Machine group. Alex mentioned, like, I made my first 100% commission. Yeah, Alex made his first 100% commission. And now Ed Newman got 13 new trial signups. Yeah, he just got 13 new trial signups in just 2 days. Yeah, on this June, just last week. Now Palab leads are converting into sales. All these trials are converting into sales, into full commission. Good to see trials are converting into sales. Yeah, $62. After deducting their the payment charges, payment gateway charges, they are going to pay you, instead of $69, they are going to pay you $62. Yeah, all these commissions are converting like crazy. Whatever, if you have any questions about affiliate marketing, it is all covered inside the course. It will also be answered by James on a weekly basis. There is a whole new bunch of people currently promoting Builderall and sharing their stories on this particular group. Now tell me, how many of you want to sign up for free? Type me in the chat box. Yeah. Now I will share the link. I will share the link to sign up. And I will give you 15 minutes, not 20 minutes. 20 minutes is very long. So I'm going to give you this link. You just need to jump onto this link and start signing up. What is the full course charge? There is no charge. For course, no charge. He is going to train you every week. There is no charge for the course. Banu Priya is asking. Yeah. So that is the link. This link will take you to a page like this. This link will take you to a page like this. You can enter any one of your email, and then it will take you to a page like this, where you just need to click on this green button, which says I want to join for free. Just click on that, and it will take you to a page like this. Here is where you are going to get your Builderall trial. If you have any questions after 15 minutes, I will come here. I will be able to answer all your questions. Yeah, you just need to register for a free trial, and then you can follow the funnel. And once you finish that, type done in the chat box. I will be coming back in 15 minutes. I'm going to walk you through the members area. I'm also going to answer all your questions. Yeah. Countdown timer. And for some reason, sometimes when you need to add your payment details here for getting access to this, the 14-day trial, they will need your card. After 14 days, they will be charging $69. If you want to cancel it, you can cancel it on the 13th day. No issues at all. Yeah. So sometimes your card may not be working. Indian card may not be working. For that, you need to contact your bank people to activate international transaction. Recently in India, most of the banks have stopped giving access to international transaction. If you are already purchased international software tools, your card will be working. If you have not tried it, you might be getting some error. For that, you just need to contact your bank, and you can do that later, not a problem. I'm just going to give you 15 minutes. Within 15 minutes, I'll come back. If you have signed up for the trial, type done in the chat box. I will come back in 15 minutes. Yeah. I will, once I come back, I will answer all your questions, and I will also share the inside the members area. Hi guys, are you guys able to hear my voice? Is everything loud and clear? Type yes in the chat box. If you guys can hear my voice, type yes in the chat box. Yes. Banu Priya says yes. Asraf says yes. Okay. So once you sign up for this 14-day free trial, you will be taken to a page. Okay, just give me a minute. Yeah. Once you sign up for the Builderall trial, and you will be taken to a page like this. Just give me a minute. Let me share with you. You will be given access to the members area of this course, James's course. Yeah. In this course, James is going to teach you. It will take you to a registration page like this. You just need to enter your name and password, and then once you enter it, you will be able to log in. The first thing you are going to see is the welcome intro video, and then the RPM setup recap. You would have already prompted on the once you made the once you signed up for the trial. You have already prompted to download the Builderall. Yeah, once you first you need to create a Builderall account, and then you just need to log into your Builderall page. Once you have logged into your Builderall account, this is how the Builderall account looks. Then you just need to log into your members area and follow these RPM setup recap. RPM is Rapid Profit Machine Setup Recap. If you go to that link, it will give you step-by-step process. The step one is to introduction, how the system works, and then it will ask you to get the Builderall account. Yeah, how to to signing up for the 14-day free trial. Once you have signed up, you just need to import the you just need to import the RPM funnel into your Builderall account. You just need to click off a button. Just click on this button, import your free machine now. Just click on this button. It will take you to a page like this, and it will ask you, do you want to import this funnel to your Builderall account? It is just asking, confirm that the data is finished action. Yeah, you want to import Rapid Profit Machine 2.0 to your account. If you just click confirm, the entire funnel, the landing page, the sales page, all these courses, everything will come into your Builderall account. This is how this looks. This is your website builder, the Cheetah website builder. Just go, once you have done that, just go into it. You will be able to see your Rapid Profit Machine here. This is what the James's funnel, entire funnel. You just need to click on edit. You don't need to do anything. All your affiliate links, all the follow-up emails, everything is already set it up. You don't need to do anything. You just need to start promoting by clicking on this 3 dot. You just need to start promoting this home page. This is the symbol is there, the home page. You just need to click on this button and it will take you to this page, the landing page. You just need to start promoting this link to your customers. Yeah, wherever. Suppose if you are getting traffic from Facebook, you just need to send people to that first page. It will collect the lead. It will take them through the process. They will sign up for the Builderall and they will be start using their Builderall account for as an affiliate, or if they wanted to use for their own business, they can start using it. James is also having even more training on affiliate marketing, Facebook marketing, solo ads, email marketing. There are so many trainings already. James have this in this course. You just need to go through the course, participate in the community, take action. See, in today's training, I have given you everything you need to get started. You don't need to pay a dime today. You just need to test this for 14 days. If it is not working for you, you can cancel the account anytime. Yeah, so it is just a free trial. You're going to test it out. If you get only one order within these 14 days, you will be able to pay for your Builderall account the next month, and then from there you will be able to build this business slowly from zero. Yeah, but how many of you are going to take action with this? Type action in the chat box. If you have any questions, please, I'm going to give you the link. You can ask all your questions. Yeah, here is the link for you to post your question. I'll be happy to answer all your questions. Please post your question. Let me take all your questions. This is the best affiliate opportunity I have ever seen. I have never seen anything like this before. Yeah, I want you to take the course is free, the funnels are free, the Builderall is free. You just need to take action. If you're not going to take action, then what will you take action for? I do not know. Yeah, post your question. I'll be happy to answer all your questions. If you do not have questions, yeah, but type it. I will give you 10 more seconds to type your question. Okay, how to get traffic? He has a detailed training on how to get traffic. Traffic is bringing people to your landing page, your funnel. You can do free traffic. If you go to YouTube and type how to get free traffic, there are hundreds of ways to get free traffic. Promoting it on social media, promoting it on Instagram, promoting it on Facebook. There are ways you can pay money to Facebook to get ads. How to run Facebook ads. Inside this training, where is the members area? RPM members area. Inside the training, you have Facebook marketing, you have solo ads marketing. He's also having traffic training here. Watch this training and take action. How Builderall pays. Builderall pays every 30 months. Suppose if any customer signed up to you today for this 14-day trial, after the 14th day, he will be charged the first month commission. From that day, the Builderall will hold that fund for 30 days. Every 30 days, Builderall will pay you to your bank account. Which postal par work I do not understand this. I'm really sorry. Did not complete payment because of card restriction issue. What to do? Try later. Contact your bank account. Most of the Indian banks are restricting payment to foreign transactions. If the payment is going to be in dollars, they are going to stop it. If you are using your bank app, they have included an option called turning on international transaction. You can turn it on. If you are using your bank app for your mobile banking, the option is available in your mobile banking app. If you are not using mobile banking app, contact your bank and ask them to turn on your international transaction. Any other questions, please post it in the link. If you have any other questions, please post it in the link. Here is the link. Yeah. Are you proving Builderall? Why do I need to take the course? That too on a trial basis. Can you explain about actual real time and practical way to make money, introduce our product to the e-commerce? See, this is not about e-commerce. This is about promoting Builderall. Builderall has all the tool that is essential for any business who wanted to jump online, whether they wanted to create an e-commerce website, whether they wanted to run an affiliate marketing, whether they wanted to have a membership site, whatever it is, they need all these tools. This is about promoting these tools to those people using this course. This course is not 14-day free trial. This course, you have lifetime access. You can watch all these courses for lifetime, anytime, all these community, everything is free. Only the tool is 14-day free trial. You can try it for 14 days. If you are not able to get a customer for you, then you can cancel that account. Yeah. I'm completely new. I don't understand this. Please elaborate. Yeah, this is how it is. You are going to import that funnel to your account. You are going to start promoting this tool to the potential customer. How to get potential customer? This training is included on have traffic training here. I have registered for the Amazon affiliate and I have set up a website tapa2patbest.com, but no traffic, no sales through it. See, even if you are going to promote an Amazon product, Amazon will pay you only 8% commission, that too on one time. If you are promoting 1,000 rupee product on Amazon, most of the prices will be around 500. Even if you promote 1,000 rupee product, 8% will be 80 rupees. To make a considerable amount of sales, you need lots and lots of sales. Yeah, and that too not recurring. I don't advise you to start with Amazon affiliate because they have very minimal affiliate commission. Your efforts will be gone waste and you need tons of traffic to make considerable money. When it comes to Builderall, if only handful of people buy, just 5 people in a month only buy, you will be able to make good money from this promoting this tool. Yeah. So Builderall pays commission every 30 days, right? Yeah, right. You're right. Builderall pays commission every 30 days. Any other questions? I will give you 10 more seconds. If you have any other question, you can ask me now. Otherwise, we can wrap up. I just have few more things in the slide. I will share it and we will wrap up. Akash is saying a best valuable webinar I have ever attended till date. Awesome. How many of you found this this training helpful? How many of you found it helpful? Type helpful in the chat box. What product are you selling online? You mentioned earlier in the video about your type of business. See, to know more about what kind of product I sell and what is the other trainings I have, which I'm going to give you a link, you can take a look into it. How we set up website using Builderall. They have, yeah, I forgot to mention, they have a huge knowledge base. This is what their website building tool. As I said, they have 40 plus tools for everything, sending messages, sending Telegram messages, sending WhatsApp messages. This is your email marketing. The good thing is normally these email marketing tool charge you based on number of emails you store. If you are going to take if you're going to take MailChimp or GetResponse or ConvertKit, for first 1,000 people, they will charge you $29. After that, they will charge you $50. After that, they will charge you $100 and so on and so forth. But in Builderall, you can have as many email addresses as possible. Even 1 lakh email addresses, 1 million email addresses, one payment. You don't need to pay additional payment for more email addresses that you store in Buildroll. Yeah, it is such an awesome tool. I cannot tell you more about this. Awesome. So where are we? What are the questions? Who will be the target customer for this? Anybody who is wanted to jump online? Yeah, they also have, I forgot to mention, Builderall itself having so much training here. Here, if you see, here they have digital marketing for network marketing, digital marketing for local business. They also have email marketing training. They also have Facebook ad course. They also have so many other training which caters to particular market. If you are targeting local businesses, how to promote this Builderall to local business, they also have the entire training inside. It's such an awesome platform. Yeah. How can I promote Builderall without signing up for Builderall? Yeah, this is just a 14-day free trial. After that, you can skip it. Why do I need Builderall? I can use Wix, Squarespace, and Google Work. Yeah, they all have Wix. Wix can build only the website. They cannot send email. The autoresponder tool is not there. They cannot have other tools which I mentioned, like they will not have e-learning platform. They will not have email autoresponder. They will not have what else? Many chatbot builder. There are so many other tools which I mentioned. They do not have webinar tool. They do not have Wix. For that you need to buy separate tool. Each tool will easily cost you $30 a month. If you buy 5 tools, that is $150 easily. It has 40 plus tools. You are a very good mentor. Hope this training helps us. Awesome. Thank you so much. I think we have come to the end of today's session. Thank you so much for attending this. If you want to learn more about e-commerce and how to launch your product on Amazon, what other businesses I do, you can jump on to my next training. This is going to be on coming Sunday. Here is the link. If you have not, how many of you attended my 3 days training before? Type me in the chat box. Most of you who are here must have already attended my training. Akshay says me. Asraf says me. Akash is me. Yeah, if you are new, if you wanted to jump into Amazon business, or if you want to learn more about my other trainings, you can visit here. Awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Take care. Take action. Keep moving. Yeah, that is what I can tell you. Take action. Keep moving. Even if it is going to be small action, that is definitely, you are going to learn tons of things over the time. You are going to, move to the next level. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.